this week, the creators of Cash-Addressed.io announced the stable release of Vanitygen Cash, a vanity-themed BCH address maker. Vanitygen Cash is a fork of the original Vanitygen protocol originally designed for BTC, but here it has been created for the Bitcoin Cash network. Also read, highly organized crime blamed for $2 mil Bitcoin mining burglaries. Now Bitcoin Cash enthusiasts can create custom addresses with a protocol called Vanitygen Cash (VGC). The VGC software was developed by the programmers who made the website Cash-Addressed.io, a cache address format translator. VGC is a command-line vanity Bitcoin Cash address generator. This means the user can create a more custom address with an individual's name, a business brand, or pretty much any words rather than the traditional cryptically random addresses. Further, more personalized addresses like QRTBACMHCQNDPRSFIZ5GXJ8GK9DVJO using VGC can be generated offline. The VGC compiled binaries for operating systems such as Windows, Mac, and Linux can be found at developers' releases. Basically, VGC accepts an alphanumeric input pattern or list of patterns and produces a unique personalized address with private keys. The software searching is entirely probabilistic and there are various factors involved with any given pattern. This includes the amount of time to find the pattern, the complexity, the speed of the computer, and, believe it or not, downright luck. For instance, for more complex wording, the generator depends on a more probabilistic outcomes which can be entirely random. To use Vanitygen Cash, simply extract the operating system platform and choose to open the software. Next, you use your computer's command prompting tool to utilize the VGC protocol in order to create a custom address. Traditionally, older vanity addresses started with the number character 1, so for example, you can generate a prefix like 1 Jamie, 1 friend, or something more unique. However, the Vanitygen Cash README explains that the first character for custom BCH addresses should be the letter Q, and the second character should be either P, Q, R, or Z. The longer the prefix, the longer it will take for your computer's chip hardware to generate a random cache address. Basically, the VGC platform brute forces a pattern within the random generation process. It's also a good idea to briefly read up on how to use a command line and go over the VGC platform's README file before getting started. A vanity address can be used for a multitude of things, like if you have a public Bitcoin Cash address displayed on your website, then a more personalized address may be more fitting. The vanity address can be printed on business cards and many other types of marketing concepts. Simple stories can be written within the Bitcoin Cash blockchain using simple words and custom addresses. You can document something that happened in history or announce something in a novel manner using the generator. For instance, you could write about a memorable occasion, record your child's name and birth date, even ask someone to marry you on the Bitcoin Cash blockchain. Bitcoin Cash supporters are pleased to see the forked version of Vanitygen applied to the BCH chain as a good variety of businesses, infrastructure providers, and forked protocols are coming to the BCH network in great number over the past 2 months. Vanity-generated addresses are cool and distinct from traditional addresses, and some of them are so unique nobody can reproduce them. Moreover, the Vanitygen Cash software can make color text addresses as well. What do you think about the Vanitygen Cash fork? Do you like the idea of customized addresses? Let us know what you think about this protocol in the comments below. Disclaimer: Bitcoin.com does not endorse this product service. Readers should do their own due diligence before taking any actions related to the mentioned company or any of its affiliates or services. Bitcoin.com is not responsible, directly or indirectly, for any damage or loss caused or alleged to be caused by or in connection with the use of or reliance on any content, goods or services mentioned in this article. Images via Pixabay, Vanitygen Cash Gigant, and Bitcoin.com. Need to calculate your Bitcoin holdings? Check our tools section.